What's going on, y'all? Haven't made a video in a while. Uh, I've been busy. Haven't been to the track neither. Been moving. In my got a house, so I've been busy with that. Here's the bike. She's sitting inside while my garage is getting built. Um, haven't added or done anything to it. Only thing I've done is I've added a MPS mini air compressor for the air shifter. Let's see, I'll look at it over that. I have the mini air compressor. That's just my paperwork. Pretty easy to install. For the Gen 4s, there's like some plastic that goes back there. So I actually had to cut all that out. I don't know if you can probably see right around there. So did that. Cool. Did that. So took it all. I did have like the tire air chuck, but now I just run it off here, so just have it fitting there. And then the line comes up here into the seat, comes around the back half, straight to it, and it's wired to a switch. It's pretty easy installing the switch. Here's the switch that it comes with. It's just a push button. Yeah, switch is pretty easy. Ground. You just need a ground and 12-volt power. Move the gauge. I think that one's for the gauge. I had it back here. Moved it through the bike, up through the tank right here. It's a little ghetto rig, but like it works. Like it does not move like at all. And turning the steering wheel. Here, let me show you. Sasha, back up. Back up, dog. Let's see. It does real good with the steering. So here's the line right here. So left, I made sure I had slack, so all the way left it pulls, and when you go all the way right, it pushes back in. So that does fine. Air's up pretty fast. Let's show you a demonstration. Push button. So it's up pretty decent one. Everything fits. Nothing hits nothing. And then I'll switch on my air shifter. And voila. Cool. That's fine. So yeah, that's basically what I've been up to. Dogs all in the way and shit, making me trip. But yeah. Probably plan on going to the track within the next couple of weeks. Plan on going to Panama City, Florida here in late October. Probably ride this down there. might switch it to stock wheelbase just for that trip. Then again, I don't want to go through all that work, so I just might just ride it down the way it is right here. I think I have a buddy that's actually going to take a vehicle, four-wheel vehicle, a car. So I'll probably take tools and bike stands and whatnot, and I'll probably raise it up a little bit for the trip down there. Then when I get down there, I'll adjust it again. But yeah. Do I get Sasha?